If I say Paris, what comes up in your mind?
As a tourist, you should definitely see all of those. But since they're already very advertised on TV and other movies, I want to show you other things that you can do here, such as renting a small boat for up to 8 people at Le Bois de Vincennes, which is located right here. It looks easy, it's not, and then you get quite hungry, which is why
I'm taking you to a restaurant called Bouillon Chartier, created in 1896 and
located next to the metro stop Grand Boulevard.
I choose this place because most of the vintage brasseries in Paris are beautiful, but are a bit of a rip-off. This one serves typical French food at a decent price, in a pretty good place, and with waiters that are actually nice to you,
which is quite uncommon in France. I ordered snails for the first time in my life. And I'm French, shocking, I know. To my surprise, it tasted really good. If it's sunny, another option for food would be to have a picnic close to La Seine. French picnic be like. And chips because we're Americanized. After your picnic, you can hang out at Faust, a brasserie nightclub playing house and techno music, run until 2 a.m, weekdays till 2 a.m, weekends 5:30. That was my tour of Paris. I hope you liked it. As you can see, I'm not a professional filmmaker or a photographer, but I know how to entertain people. So if you want to get entertained while learning about different cities, choose me. And don't hesitate to like this video and watch it over and over again, just in case it counts. Thank you!